If you've ever seen a strange job listed in an old record, you might have stopped and thought, there's no way that's real. But it is. And some of these jobs are so unusual, they can completely change how you see your ancestors' lives. Today we're looking at some of the strangest jobs your ancestors might have had and what they actually did. Because trust me, some of these jobs are not what you think. Let's start with one of my favorites, the knocker-up. Before alarm clocks, people were actually hired to wake others up for work. They would walk the streets early in the morning with a long stick and tap on bedroom windows until the person woke up. And they just didn't tap and leave. They had to make sure you were actually awake before moving on. So yes, your ancestor might have been a human alarm clock. Next up, rat catcher. And it's exactly what it sounds like. Cities had serious rat problems, especially in the 1800s. But this wasn't just about pests. Rats spread disease, so this was important public health work. Some rat catchers were even well known in their communities. So if you see this in your family tree, your ancestor was doing something that really mattered. Now this next one I had to read twice. A sin eater. This was a person who was paid to take on the sins of someone who had just died. They would eat bread and drink over the body, symbolically taking those sins unto themselves so the person could enter the afterlife with a clean slate. Yes, really. And here's the thing. Once you start noticing these kind of jobs, you'll see them more and more in old records. So let me ask you, have you ever come across a strange occupation in your family? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to see what you found. All right, this next one is not glamorous, but it's important. A Gong Farmer. These workers cleaned out human waste from privies, usually at night. It was dirty, dangerous work, but it kept towns and cities running. And believe it or not, some of them were paid fairly well, because not many people were willing to do it. Next, Leech Collector. Doctors use leeches for medical treatments, especially for bloodletting. So people were hired to gather them from ponds and marshes. And one of the ways they did this was by standing in the water and letting the leeches attach to their legs. Not exactly a job most people would sign up for. Now this one sounds like something out of a movie. A Resurrectionist. These were body snatchers who dug up recently buried bodies and sold them to medical schools. At the time, there weren't many legal ways to obtain bodies for study, so this underground trade developed. It was illegal, but it still happened. Next, we have a pure finder. This job involved collecting dog waste from the streets, which was used in the leather tanning process. Not glamorous, but it played an important role in making leather usable. And finally, one more that most people have never heard of. A Tosher. These workers searched through sewer systems, looking for coins, jewelry, and anything of value that might have been washed away. It was dangerous, unhealthy work, but for some, it was one of the only ways to make a living. So the next time you see a strange job listed in a record, don't skip over it. That one word might tell you more about your ancestors' life, their daily work, and more about the world in which they lived. If you want to learn how to find records like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future videos. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, good luck with your research, and I'll see you in the next one.